Looking to add a pop of color and life to your indoor space? Meet African violets, the beloved houseplants that have been stealing hearts for decades. These charming plants not only brighten up any corner with their stunning blooms, but are also surprisingly easy to care for. In today's video, we'll dive into everything you need to know to grow and maintain African violets successfully. From propagation tips to essential care hacks. Let's get started. Size and appearance. African violets come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them perfect for any space. They range from miniature varieties, less than 6 inches in diameter, to large types that you can grow over 16 inches wide. These versatile plants also showcase an incredible array of flower colors and forms, ensuring there's an African violet for every style. Popular varieties. With hundreds of varieties available, choosing the perfect African violet can be a delightful challenge. Some of the most popular include Pixie Blue, Persian Prince, and Optimara Rose Quartz. Whether you prefer delicate pastels or bold, vibrant hues, there's a variety that's just right for you. Propagation techniques. Propagating African violets is simpler than you might think. You can grow them from seeds or leaf cuttings. When using seeds, create a light soil mix with peat, vermiculite, and grass sand, and ensure a warm room temperature from 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. From leaf cuttings, select a healthy leaf, dip the stem in rooting hormone, and plant it in moist soil. In just a few weeks, you'll see roots and new growth emerge. Choosing the right container. The right container is key to growing healthy African violets. Miniature varieties thrive in pots around 5 to 6 inches deep, while standard types need a container at least 8 to 10 inches wide. Choose clay, plastic, or ceramic pots to support healthy growth. Care essentials. Caring for African violets is all about balance. Use a light, loose soil mix of peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. Water the plant from the base and keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. For light, place your plant near a bright indirect light source, like a south or west-facing window, or supplement with fluorescent lights if needed. Fertilizing tips. To keep your African violet blooming beautifully, use a phosphorus-rich fertilizer such as 15-30-15 at 1/4 strength every time you water. Watch for signs like dull leaf color or reduced flowering to know when your plant needs a nutrition boost. Troubleshooting and pests. Even with the best care, pests like cyclamen mites can pose a challenge. Dispose of affected plants to protect others and use insecticides as a preventive measure. Keep an eye out for common issues like powdery mildew and rot, and ensure good air circulation to keep your plants healthy. African violets are truly a joy to grow and care for. With the tips we've shared today, you're ready to create a vibrant indoor garden that will impress and inspire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy planting!